What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So this is what the new Google Pixel Fold will look like with an amazing display but with a higher price tag, high quality renderings and all the details from a reliable source published on the network. To know all this here, please watch the full video content. The news source is John Prosser via front page tag. Apparently, Google has finally brought its first foldable smartphone Pixel Fold to the mass production stage. There have been a lot of leaks rendering this device in these just few weeks. And now, well-known insider John Prosser has revealed all the details about the Pixel Fold smartphone. Moreover, he outlined not only the characteristics but also revealed memory configurations and prices. According to the leaked data, the Google Pixel Fold will be one of the most compact smartphones in the category. The outer screen will be only 5.8 inches diagonal, while the inner screen will be 7.6 inches. In both cases, OLED panels with a frame rate of 120 Hz will be used. The resolution of the external display will be 2092 by 1080 pixels and the internal 2008 by 1840 pixels. The hardware platform will be SoC Tensor G2, like the Pixel 7 smartphone, and the software platform is pure Android 13 operating system. The main camera will have three modules. The main one with a 48 megapixel, 1x2-inch optical format sensor, a wide-angle aperture lens with f1.7 aperture, and an optical image stabilization system. Other modules will have sensor with a resolution of 10.08 megapixels, as well as ultra-wide-angle and telephoto lenses. The second will provide 5x optical zoom and 20x hybrid. There is no data on the battery capacity, but the insider talks about the autonomy of 24 hours on a single charge or 72 hours in extreme power saving mode. For the base Pixel Fold with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of flash memory, they will ask for $1,800. The cost of the top version with 512GB of flash memory will be priced $1,920. Previously, John Prosser announced the dates for the announcement and release of the Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, and Pixel Watch. And before that, he was the first to announce the dates of the presentation of the iPhone SE 2020 smartphone and the MacBook Pro 13 laptop. According to the preliminary data, the premiere of the smartphone will take place at the Google I/O event on May 10. At the same time, they will begin accepting preliminary applications and real sales will start at the end of June. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.